How to see Messenger password. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and let us get started. Now, in order to view your Messenger password in case you have forgotten it, you have to have it saved on your Google account. So let's go ahead and find out what it means. Open up your Settings app. At this page, tap below on to Google. Tap on Manage your Google account. Here you have to tap on Security. If you scroll below and on the bottom page, you will see Password Manager. Tap on Manage Password. Now, if you have saved your Messenger password anywhere from this Google account, you will be able to see it right at this page. If you would like to search for it, just type in Messenger. If you have it saved, you will be able to see it right at this page. If you had used your Facebook from your Google Chrome a time ago, then it may also ask you to auto-save your password, and if you have enabled that feature at that time, you will be able to see it right at this page. If you have not saved your password, you won't be able to see it under your Google account. And that is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you had found this to be helpful, then do like and subscribe.